All right, my plan for the air input, so that was the air input. I'm going to be replacing this little guy here. I'm going to be installing an air compressor. This is a California Air cabinet compressor, super quiet. I want to be able to record videos while I'm actually running the machine. But I'm going to take that cabinet, I'm going to set it right down here, right where my planer is, right inside that section. Then I can put another board over it if I want to make it look nice. Maybe a sticker board for everybody, or maybe I'll just stick it on the side of the machine itself. But the hose, the air will basically pop right out the side. I'm going to use drops. I'm going to use hose drops that I found off from Amazon to run a hose straight up. I'm going to mount an L bracket or a corner piece right up here, and from here I'm going to split off, follow along the line, follow all the way along over here, and then I'm going to bring a drop all the way down, and that will provide me an air drop right there. And I'm going to put a quick disconnect right there so I can plug in if I need to fill the air in the tires or clean the garage out or something like that. Easy access right there. But I'm going to plug in right there, and I'm going to bring it down and into the air and the laser. The nice thing is if I've got a bracket up there, I could put a T right there and run it right along the top here, down so I can have some air right over here at that drop. But being that it's right there also, I can join up with any of these dust collector drops and run air to each one of those. So that'd be nice and convenient.